How to promote your Amazon affiliate links using Pinterest.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can promote Amazon affiliate links using Pinterest.com. And in this video, we're going to talk specifically about the outdoor and camping gear niche. So let's search for some posts about this niche. So we can get some posts about this niche and see if we can find a post that we can repost on our account and leaving our link to the product that we want to promote. So let's see if we can see any product that we can find on Amazon. Let's check this product. It doesn't have any title or anything. Let's just leave it. Let's leave it on camping gear to get more accurate research. So let's go with this one. It's from Amazon themselves. No, it's from a guy that does the same that we do. So I think he's focused on the campaign niche. So it's up. Let's download this image. It's downloaded. Let's check his profile. Here we can see the saved created posts of his. So I was right, he's focused on the campaign. On campaign products. So it's pretty much focused on campaign products. Let's see how much interactions he gets. So this one got just 2 comments. So it's not bad for a beginner. Let's leave that for now. So after downloading the picture, we hit on create, then we create idea pin on a new tab, and then we copy this title, copy, and we go to Pinterest, create new, we upload the picture, we add the title that we copied, and we copy the description also. Then we drop the description here, and it's time to get our link. So let's search for that product. Backpacking stove. Backpacking and camping stove. So let's see if we can find the same product. Let's copy the same title and drop it on Amazon. And then hit search to see if we can find the same product. So let's see if we can find the same product. I guess this is it. Let's see. No, it's not. So let's just take the easy way to find this product. Let's go to this, let's click on the link that this man uploaded. So this is the link of that product. So you can just pretty much take the link, our link of the product, and leave it on here. Add link. So we wait for it to load. After loading, we click on text. Then we hit copy and we drop it in our post. Then we make sure we add too many tags to make this post go viral on the platform and to help the post show to a lot of people. So let's go with camping first. Camping meals, camping hacks, as much as you can. Camping hacks, gear, camping gear, hiking gear, backpacking gear. So as much tags as you can. They will do no harm, they will just help the post to go viral. So after finishing with your tags, you make sure everything is set up very good. Make sure the link also is your link. Then you hit publish and your post will be published. So for this method, guys, to work, you need to at least upload 10 to 20 posts a day talking about the same niche, and for every post you can switch the products. If you want to talk about one product, no problem. If you want to switch between products, every now and then put another variable product. That's good. It will do no bad to you. So this is how our post looks. The title, description, comments, and everything. So I hope you get the idea. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.